Tesla shares epic 2025 recap video. Tesla has released an epic year-in-review video for 2025, recapping some of its major achievements from refreshed models to autonomy breakthroughs and production ramps. The cinematic montage, posted by the official Tesla account on X, celebrated the company's progress in EVs, energy, and robotaxi development, while looking ahead to an even bigger 2026. Tesla's 2025 highlights recap. Tesla has had a busy 2025, as highlighted in the recap video. The video opened with Elon Musk explaining the company's pursuit of sustainable abundance. A number of milestones were then highlighted, such as the rollout of FSD V14, Optimus numerous demos, the opening of the Tesla diner in Hollywood, LA, the completion of the world's first autonomous car delivery, and the launch of the robotaxi network in Austin and the San Francisco Bay Area. Tesla also highlighted several of its accomplishments over the year. As per the company, the Model Y was the year's best-selling vehicle globally again, and Teslas became more affordable than ever, thanks to the Model 3 and Model Y standard. Other key models were also rolled out, such as the refreshed Model S and X, as well as the new Model Y, the new Model Y Performance, and the 6-seat extended wheelbase Model Y/L. The Megablock was also unveiled during the year, and the supercharger network grew by 18%. Over 1 million Powerwalls were also installed during the year, and the Cybertruck became the first EV truck to get both an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award and an NHTSA 5-star safety rating. Cybercab production confirmed. Interestingly enough, Tesla also confirmed in its 2025 recap video that the production of the Cybercab has started. This bodes well for the vehicle, as it could result in the vehicle really being mass-produced in the first half of 2026. Elon Musk confirmed during the 2025 annual shareholder meeting that Cybercab production should earnestly start around April 2026. Musk has also noted that the Cybercab will be Tesla's highest volume vehicle yet, with the company aiming for an annual production rate of about 2 million units. If you've seen the design of the Cybercab line, it doesn't look like a normal car manufacturing line, Musk said earlier this year. It looks like a really high-speed consumer electronics line. In fact, the line will move so fast that actually people can't even get close to it. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.